Hi, I'm Emily.
Hi, I'm Minsu. When we started dating, Emily called me a lot.
Not a lot.
A lot.
Well, when you would go out to dinner with friends, by the end of the night, your phone would die. A lot.
Not a lot.
A lot.
Hon, I was texting you and I would respond my old work emails and using it as GPS. End of the day, there's no battery left.
Well, we came up with a solution. The DouBBleTime charging cable cuts your charging time in half.
I work from home in the San Francisco Bay Area. Most days, my car is my office and my phone is my work laptop, my GPS. It's everything to me. Using my phone all these different ways drains its battery life quickly. I needed something to charge my phone faster than usual USB charging cable, and that's where DouBBleTime charging cable comes in. DouBBleTime charging cable is a USB cord that charges your phone twice as fast as the standard USB cord when plugged into your computer or a USB car port.
Standard USB charging cables are made for two reasons: to charge your phone and to sync your data. Because a regular USB cord provides these two options, it can take up to 3 hours to charge your phone from a low battery to 100%. But now we have something faster, a charging cable that charges your phone in about half that time. And how is this possible? A simple yet ingenious PCB chip inside the cord talks to your phone and computer, telling both not to waste energy syncing data, and instead focus all its energy on charging. As a safety feature, the PCB chip also provides OCP, overcurrent protection, which keeps the amount of currency at the optimal level.
We have working samples and have tested them extensively. Now, next step is where you, our backers, join us.
With your help, we'll pay for tooling, producing the PCB chip, and packaging. Thank you for backing our project, and DouBBleTime!